I'd like you to take a moment and think about the physical structures you access each day. This space is called the built environment. The built world dictates how we live, how we travel, and how we work. The built world we access daily has been influenced by laws that protect people with disabilities. Before these laws were in place, many environments were inaccessible to people with disabilities, such as inaccessible buildings and transportation. This all changed in 1973 with the Rehabilitation Act, Section 504. This act prohibits federally funded programs, agencies, and buildings from discriminating against people with disabilities. Section 504 paved the way for the signing of the Americans with Disabilities Act, the ADA, in 1990. The ADA transformed the built world in ways that many people don't even recognize. The ADA is a set of legal guidelines that the built world must follow. Before the ADA, many people with disabilities were unable to utilize public transportation, leaving many trapped in their homes and cut off from participating in the world. The ADA changed all that, making public spaces, buildings, and transportation accessible by requiring ramps, accessible seating, curb cuts, and elevators. The ADA also transformed parking lots, requiring reserved spaces for those with disabilities for every 25 parking spots. The ADA applies not only to building exteriors, but interiors as well. Bathrooms must have wheelchair-accessible stalls and sinks specifically designed at the right height with adequate leg space. Many believe that the ADA means things are finally being done right. The problem is, the ADA laws are not being universally applied. Unless it is applied everywhere, people with disabilities cannot fully participate in the built world. The current application of the ADA is not a definitive solution, but the beginning foundational cornerstone in making disability rights a basic human right. The European Council gathered a committee of experts mandated to produce a brochure on essential principles of accessibility and adaptation of buildings for people with disabilities.